Hello, I'm Dano. I'm a professional home cook, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a single serve chocolate chip cookie, and this is definitely not chocolate chip cookie 101. I found this recipe online that had great pictures, so I really expected to achieve same results. The ingredients and measurements are on screen right now, so pause if you need them. I'm not gonna spend the next 20 seconds reading numbers at you. First, I'm gonna add some butter into a small pan over medium heat and keep stirring. If you don't stir it, some parts will burn while other parts are barely melted. As soon as it turns golden brown, you must take it off the stove and transfer into a small bowl so you don't burn it. If you don't know how it should look like, this is exactly how it should look like. It's amazing. Since it's real hot, we are gonna put it in the freezer for 5 minutes until it cools down so we can work with it. I'm gonna add brown sugar, white sugar, and butter into a medium bowl with 2 teaspoons of milk and some vanilla. As you can see, I also can't decide how much vanilla I should put, so I don't care. I'm gonna start mixing everything really well until combined. I think I should chill. Whisking this like cookie insulted my family. Since I have problems, I'm gonna measure 0.6 grams of salt and baking soda with a sensitive scale. Normally, a pinch of salt and baking soda will work. I want to mix them well before adding them to the wet ingredients so I don't get an uneven distribution. After I add the flour mixture into the bowl, I'm just gonna mix it until it's combined. I don't wanna overmix it because it will build gluten, which will destroy our cookie. I cut some uneven chocolate pieces because I don't know why not. And another point here is not to overmix. Just mix enough to distribute the chocolate into the dough. By the way, this really looks promising. So this will go into the freezer for 5 minutes and don't ask why. I don't know if I told you, but I hope you preheated your oven. After 5 minutes, place it in the middle of a parchment paper lined tray and add some more chocolate on top. I mean, you could add anything on top you want. It's your decision. I'm also gonna add some salt on top, and that's it. It's ready to bake. And here it is. It looks amazing. Or maybe not, but whatever. As you can see, my cookie falls apart. I just wanna eat it. I don't have time to rest it. So, thank you for watching and goodbye.